As this is another quick video, this time showing you how to change your location settings on Facebook. So practically you can do that from the app, but I think the easier way to do it is just do it from your Android. And keep in mind that this is basically how you can add for any app the change for the location or something other. So you're gonna go to your menu, you're gonna go to the settings, and then you're gonna say apps. And when you enter the apps, you're just gonna find the app you want, in this case the Facebook app. And here you have all the permissions. So when you enter the permissions, you have the option that is called location. And that is exactly what we need to think about now. Enter location, and here you can say allow only while I use the app, ask every time, or don't allow. So there you have it. Now you can change location settings for the Facebook. I hope this video helps. Subscribe for more useful tips.